Hello everyone, my name is Louie. I'm going to read this book. It is called Animal with Fur. Animal with Fin, Animals with Fur. Written by Kelly Jeffin. Dear Uncle George, how are you? I'm well, but I am busy. I have been very busy at school. This week, I did my first school project. It was about animals with fins and animals with fur. I want to tell you some of the things that I found out. There are animals that have fins. Fins help them to swim in the water. Dolphins have fins, and so do whales. Fish have fins, and so do sharks. So do sharks. Sharks are fish, but whales and dolphins are not fish.
So whales and dolphins are
mammals.
Yes.
Some things are little and some things are big. Little fish have small fins, but a whale has fins that are enormous. This fish has little fins. This whale has a very big fin. This little fish needs to swim very fast. Look, it's a real picture. Fins help the animals to swim fast or slow. They help it to swim towards its food. They help it to swim away from something that is chasing it. Fins can make the animals turn. They also stop it from rolling over in the water. I wish I had fins so I could swim faster. I also found out about animals with fur.
S 加 S.
Okay. Fur is the thick hair that some animals have on their skin. It helps the animal to keep warm when the weather is cool. Fur can be long or short. A yak has long hair to keep it warm. Bats also have fur. Yaks have long fur. Yaks have long fur, but bats have short fur. Dog, cats, and monkeys have fur. Their fur can be long or short. A rabbit has fur that is very soft. This makes them good to hold. Hedgehogs have fur, but they are not good to hold. Most animals with fur live on land. Some of them spend a lot of time in the water. When fur seals and otters are in the water, their thick fur keeps them warm. The color of an animal's fur can help it to hide. A lion's fur helps it to hide in the long grass. A polar bear's white fur makes it hard to see on the ice. Some foxes have white fur in winter and brown fur in summer. This helps them hide. That is everything I have found out about animals with fins and animals with fur. Next week, we will be finding out animals about volcanoes. I will tell you all about volcanoes too. Love, Nick. Animals with fins, animals with fur.
Okay.
Bye bye. See you next time.